What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. Today's a pretty big day. We got a package from Soundcore. We got our first unpacking slash unboxing. So there's a couple of things in here that they sent out, basically like a little gift box of their new product. And this is the Space Series that they are releasing. So I'm pretty excited. This is our first little unpacking. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's in here and see the new products that they're releasing. I'm so hyped right now. Let's check it out. All right, so let's open it up. Here we go. Do I tear from here? All right, yeah, I guess so. Every journey sounds good. All right, open it up. A little Soundcore. Open it up like a little book. All right, so here we go. Little Soundcore logo right there. You guys can see that. And we open it up. You guys have seen it before me. What's in there, buds? They got the Space Q45 headphones. And we got the Space A40 Earbuds. So this is their new line that they have coming out right now. I'll put the links down in the description below. You guys want to check these out. I would do individual reviews on these. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna test them out, let you guys know. But for right now, let's see what everything is. And there's a little inscription on the inside of this box, and it says, introducing the Space Series. In a world surrounded by noise, personal space, and moments of peace and quiet have become a luxury. Space brings you the ultimate noise canceling experience paired with ultra long battery life, so you can enjoy some extra personal space wherever you go. So that's what they're focusing on, is noise canceling with this new series. All right, so everything that we got in here, we got their new Space Q45 headphones. We also got the Space A40 earbuds, and we also got a little notepad in here, it looks like. Yeah, a little notepad if you guys want to take some notes. You can write some rhymes down. You know, you're listening on your headphones to some beats. You can write some lyrics right here. So we got all this in this box. Let's open them up one by one and check them out. All right, so right here we got the Space A40 earbuds. Like I said, this is like their new line. They're focusing more on, your own space, noise canceling everything out. From what I'm seeing, they're talking about both of these headphones and earbuds will block out 95% of sound. So everything, all the features you can get with this, of course, is active noise canceling. I already said it says you can get 10 hours of playtime off of one charge with the earbud, but then you'll get 50 hours in total with the charging case. That's really darn good. Right here it says reduces up to 98% of sound. Dang, that's really good actually. A little 3% bump from what I said. It says the case is ultra compact and lightweight. Well, I'll be the judge of that. Let's check it out. All right, these are the Space A40s. These are what they look like. The case is compact, like they said. This is gonna be no problem going in the small pocket. On the right side, you got the little pocket. You're gonna have no problem with these. The price for these right now are $100, and also I'll put the link down below so you guys can click that and check it out yourself. Let's bust out these earbuds, see what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside of the case. A little design you're gonna get with that. Okay, the earbuds look clean. I like the glossiness look of it. It's gonna be touch. There's no button, so I'm guessing it's all touch. And you go from there, and yeah. Nice little look of the earbuds right there. So I'm gonna put these on so you guys can get a on-ear look of these. All right, so this is what they look like on ear. This is me straight on, and we're gonna do a little turn here. And we'll do a little turn here. And that's what they look like. They feel really light. My ears always need the stems though right here, like AirPods and stuff. We'll see how these handle for me, but normally I need the stems in mine. But yeah, they feel really light. They're not coming out, they're good to go. I just put the noise cancel on, holding it for 3 seconds, and it did drown it out. And one more. Now it's transparent mode, and I could really hear myself. I feel the mic's really boosted up my voice. All right, I'm gonna put the noise canceling mode on. I have it connected to my phone. B's gonna try to talk to me. I'm gonna switch it to noise canceling. Okay, this seems like noise canceling. I'm really drowning it out.
All right, can you hear me? Hello.
I hear you. I heard hello.
Hello. You heard that. All right, yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, go again.
Okay, hello, can you hear me? Yes? What am I saying? I don't really hear any bleed through.
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Okay, I'm gonna yell now. Can you hear me now?
I still can't hear you.
Okay.
I just see your mouth moving now.
What's up, buds?
I know you said what's up, buds, because I read your mouth, but I didn't hear you.
No, okay, that was me yelling, guys.
So, 2 thumbs up.
Oh yeah, and as far as bleed through, there's not that much bleed through. Yeah, I didn't know you were gonna stop and take them out.
Oh.
There's not that much bleed through on my end on the other side of the camera, so just wanted to say that.
So it was good?
Yeah.
So if you're trying to use these in a library, you use them in a public place, and you are a person that's conscious about having the bleed through. Apparently B said it's not bad.
Was that max volume?
Yeah, that was max.
Yeah, that wasn't bad
so
at all.
You're gonna have no problem on there. We'll get a full review of this. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, because I'll break these down even more. But overall, the noise canceling, 2 thumbs up. I didn't hear nothing. I guess I was in normal mode, and then when I switched to noise canceling mode, because when I was in normal mode, that's when I said I could hear you. And then when I switched to noise canceling, I didn't hear nothing. All right, so now we got the Space Q45s. These are their headphones, noise canceling headphones right here. They are in the case. We're gonna bust this case open real quick. You see right there, bust it out. You got your aux cable, and then charger right there. And you have this little thing in here. You might wanna keep it in there or not, it's up to you. And yeah, so this is the headphones, and this is what we're going to be looking at. All right, so right now the Space Q45s are going for $150 right now. I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that, and if there's any colors, B will put them down here as well for you. Let's put them on so you can see what they look like on head. They look like they're going to be bulky, but they look really comfy. They feel really squishy and comfy. So here we go. Now this is the on-ear look, on head, on ear. This is what it looks like, a little bulky. I can already tell it's canceling out a little bit of the world already. It's really good. Feels good. So let's, what's the whole breakdown with this? What's the whole Shazam? Let's see here. Active noise canceling. This one also says 98%. So throw out that 95% I said. It blocks out 98%. It says 50 hours of playtime. One thing I noticed with headphones, you normally do get that playtime, a long playtime out of headphones. You know, even the Sony's, Boses, all that. When it comes to headphones, they're pretty good with how long the headphones last. Yeah, so we're gonna do its own review on this as well. But for right now, let's test out the noise canceling on these. All right, so we're gonna do the little noise canceling as well with these and see, because you know, since the whole, you know, space, your own space series is the main focus on this, is the noise canceling. Let's test them out and see what they sound like. Let me make sure they're in noise canceling this time. Normal noise canceling.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna turn around so you can't read my lips this time. All right, can you hear me? Can you hear anything that I'm saying?
I hear nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna yell right now, guys, so here we go. Hello, can you hear me?
I heard you yell right there. I didn't know what you said, but I knew you yelled.
What's up, bud?
I heard you yell again.
Hearing,
I don't know what you're saying, but I know that there's yelling going on.
Okay. There's a little bit of bleed through, but not too much.
All right, how's the bleed through on these?
It's not too bad.
Okay, so another pair if you don't want to bug people. This is another pair that you don't have to worry about the bleed through. I get some questions on some headphones with that, but you'll be good with these, it seems like. I could not hear nothing that B was saying she was yelling really loud, and this is a small room, so it really, you know, projectiles in here. And I had no clue what she was saying though. I just knew there was yelling happening, and of course I was focusing on her towards the end. If I was just walking past, I probably wouldn't have caught nothing, even with the yelling. So 2 thumbs up on the noise canceling. When it comes to the sound quality is really clean like always. But with both of these products, one thing you want to do is download the Soundcore app. Their app is probably one of the best apps out there for like all these, you know, speakers, headphones, and earbuds in general. Just Soundcore really kills it. The fan base of Soundcore really loves their app. I always get, you know, them in the comments and stuff. So definitely check out the Soundcore app and, you know, hook these up and customize the sound to your liking. So overall, my thoughts, I'm really liking the earbuds. They are slim. I do like the noise cancellation in there. When I test these out, hopefully they work good with my ears, because normally stemless earbuds always end up falling out or have to keep adjusting them. But the sound sounded good real quick from the little sound test we were doing, or I might say the noise canceling we were doing. And I like the comfort of these headphones. I will give you guys a full breakdown on both of these. I'm gonna do their own reviews. I'm gonna use them, get to know them, and tell you about the sound and all of that. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the new Space series. If you guys want to check out some other videos, we got videos right here. Click on one of those, it'll take you to some more. Go down the little wormhole of all the products I reviewed. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney, my sister B behind the camera. Thank you for watching Wanna Buy It. I'll see all you guys in my next video. Peace.